Welcome to SaaSMobi White Label. This is a series of tools that you can rebrand and embed on your own website. The tools are principally for lead generation and services that you can offer your prospects and clients. So let's take a look. So here we have the SaaSMobi mobile site checker. This checks to see whether any website is approved by Google as mobile friendly. Because even if a website looks good on a mobile phone, that doesn't mean to say that Google approves it. Now, the service looks like this. You can change it in any way you like. You have your own logo, your own colors, your text above the service, and also text below and a footer image. And there's also a way to actually embed the service on one of your existing pages, or if you use WordPress, you can embed it into your WordPress site on any page, and we'll show you how to do that in another video. So this is the service and how it works. So for instance, if we put a website in here as a restaurant, all that the client or prospect will do is put their web address in, click finish, and it's going to now create a complete report that's Google approved. You'll see it as it comes through now. And by the way, this is a mobile friendly service, so people can access it from their mobile phones as well. And you'll see the site is mobile friendly, everything's good. So that's what the service does, and let me show you how to create it using the SaaSMobi White Label tool, and you can also load it onto your web server directly from the SaaSMobi dashboard. So let's take a look now. Okay, so let's create the White Label mobile site checker for another website. All you would do is come to the page on your SaaSMobi dashboard, the White Label mobile site checker, and literally if you're creating a new page, you'll come down to the bottom here and just fill in the questions. So here we've got the background color of the page, so we're going to create green there. It should be good. Then we're going to call it a name. We can rebrand it any name we like. Upload a logo. Now the logo size should be 600. Really, between 600 and 700 is fine. It was 800, but we've changed it now. So let's go and find a logo. Here we go, 600. Depth isn't so important, but probably keep it a maximum of 125. So ignore this 800, it should be 600. And then click next. Then you put in the business name. There we go. Then we're going to put in some text to appear under the logo. So this will be, let's do this, mobile site test. Now a sentence or two that goes above the questionnaire. So let's go and grab it from the one that's already here. You can put in whatever you like, of course, so let's do that. Now, this is a WYSIWYG editor, so it's really easy to use. You just use in exactly the same way as, say, a Word document. So I'm going to center them all here. I'm going to change the font to home. I'm going to increase the font size, and I'm going to bold. There, okay, that's okay. Now we've got the same thing that's going to go below the page, so we've got some here. Again, you can put in whatever you like. So here's 14 as well. Change the font to good. We'll change this as well to now if you want to make these links, this is a all you need to do, you cover the area, and for a mail link you click the link here, and that's going to be mail to with a colon, copy and paste the email address in, and when that is clicked, that will open up their mail client. For the telephone, just out of interest, it's the similar thing. You put in, cover it there, click the link here, and you're going to put in tel, T-E-L colon, and what happens then is if someone clicks that from their mobile phone, it will open up their dialer and allow them to call that number. So that's done there. And then finally the footer, again you can put in whatever you like. I'll just put in the standard footer here, copyright message, again center it up, put in the name of the business that we're doing, and again if we wanted to make this a link, we highlight that, click the link button and make a link to the home page of the website, and then click finish. Now that's done. Now we can either then click the download button and it will download as a zip file to our computer, and we can upload that wherever we want, or we can click the FTP and have it directly uploaded to any web server. Okay, so you'll see we've got 4 directories. I'm going to put another one in now using this feature. So let's call this we'll call this Google Test. Okay, so the upload path for me will be Google Test, and then you'll put in your username. All you do then is click the upload button and you'll get a notice to say it's been successful. There we go. Now if I come back to the cPanel and let's refresh the page, there's our Google Test, and if we want to have a look what it looks like, and there we have the page already set up in the folder for us, exactly like that. Okay, so that's how easy it is to install any of the white label services. Of course, even easier would be to use the actual embed code. So you can embed using code to a WordPress page, which we'll come on to in another video, or you can use the code here. Make sure you put the arrows before and after to embed it on any existing web page on your website. Okay, well that's how simple it is to upload any of the white label services to your website using the SaaSMobi dashboard. Thanks very much, and look forward to seeing you in another video.